I promise you, after watching this, you'll wish you were a dog. No, seriously, just meet Gunther. This isn't just any dog. Gunther inherited a $400 million fortune from his insanely rich owner who left everything to him when she passed away. Yeah, this pup is literally richer than 99.9% of us. He's got a private chef cooking the finest meals money can buy, while we're out here eating ramen and leftovers. Gunther owns a private jet, a yacht, and cruises around in a BMW. A dog, in a BMW. Oh, and the craziest part? He has 27 full-time staff to take care of him. Most of them are top models. Top models. Gunther buddy, if you're listening, please adopt me. I'll handle all your belly rubs and nap schedules for free. Tag someone who needs to hear this. And tell me in the comments, would you switch lives with Gunther?